Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify name and address accuracy with TransUnion, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your name and address accuracy with TransUnion, start by visiting the TransUnion website. Navigate to the Consumer Services section. Select the option for Credit Report. On the Credit Report page, choose Request Your Credit Report. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your full name, social security number, and date of birth. Next, input your current address and any previous addresses if applicable. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once your information is submitted, wait for TransUnion to process your request. This may take a few moments, so be patient. After processing, you will receive access to your credit report. Review the report carefully for your name and address entries. Check for any inconsistencies or errors with your personal information. If you notice any inaccuracies, note them for correction. To dispute an error, find the dispute option on the website. Follow the prompts to submit your dispute online. You may need to provide additional documentation to support your claim. After submitting, TransUnion will investigate the dispute. You will receive updates regarding the status of your dispute via email. Once resolved, check your report again for corrections. This process ensures that your information is accurate and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.